video. Everybody. We are having lunch. I'm having dinner here at Rojas Boulevard. It's here in Manila. My sisters and my brothers are here and my nephew. They just arrived from America and Canada.
I don't even know if they can hear you. Hi from Canada.
My nephew is from Canada. They will see you around the world. So you show me the best smile. You show me the best smile. Many knows me in America. Don't you know that? I'm just having fun. Yeah, this is my fun. I'm just having fun. So just shut up.
Itu ya, lebih kilo. Kalau ini 500 di half kilo ya. Jadi ini kilo.
Hi, friend. Why you're alone there? Why you're just alone there? No girlfriend? You're from America?
No, it's okay.
Oh.
Make it longer. You pause it, you let go through. So stop and repeat.
Oh, because
Mainit mo siya. Muna mo manang order sa ina. I-order mo manang order. Adi manunggo.
at least 3 minutes.
Okay. Oh, pwede ba yun?
It won't earn money. It's too short.
3 minutes.
At least 3 minutes.
The white hair.
I'm just so excited because all my brothers and sisters are here. They are from Canada and the USA. So we are bonding after 8 years. So that's why I'm so excited. After 8 years, I haven't seen them. So you can't blame me that I am very excited. We are here inside the hotel, but anyway. It's been 8 years. It's 8 years that I did not see them, so I need to get a video of them all. I did not see them. I did not see them for 8 years.
I think the video's too long.
At least more than 30. At least 3 minutes.
How long?
It's now 3 minutes. So it's okay. But I earn more.
Post YouTube. What's your account?
Wow, he's looking for me in the YouTube.
I don't have Wi-Fi.
Hey, Jovi, can you connect him to the Wi-Fi?
I have the Wi-Fi section.
He wants to find me there.
Later. I can do it later.
Okay, I need to end up here now. See you again later, guys. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'm a bit tipsy because I'm drinking beer.